Here are some questions to ask your rigging provider. Does the manufacturer work with only carefully selected distributors who provide end-user support and stock local inventory? You want to do business with a quality distributor who offers customized wire, rope, and synthetic sling fabrication, extensive testing capabilities, engineering support, and a large inventory of products that are in stock. Does the manufacturer provide on-site and tailored training to end users? According to the National Safety Council, construction is one of the most dangerous industries. Using rigging gear requires safety training, and you want to choose a manufacturer that provides customized, hands-on courses as well as online training. When you need technical support, who do you talk to, and how quickly do they respond? When you have a question while on the job site, make sure you can rely on both your local distributor and the manufacturer for efficient and timely technical support.